Right, here we go, the first dual vlog. Gonna bring the bee along with me. The bird and the bee, imagine that, holy shit. But look at the bee helmet, it's just the bee. That's funny, that's cool. The bird and the bee in the flesh. I bet you she's gonna say something about, oh, you told me to be here at 10, but you're not here at 10. And I'm like, sorry, I had a vlog to set up for. Is she in my spot? She is in my spot.
Is that on the side?
Your bee helmet, miss. It looks cool, doesn't it? I got a cool mask on.